Starting from the day, if you start to invest in yourself and in these 5 hidden steps, you'll be able to be a master in content creation in less than 6 months. And these 5 hidden skills are hidden gems within the 5 steps of content creation, which are research, scripting, filming, editing, and publishing. And if you start to develop these skills, you'll be able to level up so much faster and be able to create content that gets views and retains people. Now, the first skill is hidden within the first step of content creation, which is research. But this is a different type of research. Not everyone is talking about it, and you may have heard it from designers and people who are working on YouTube. Psychology research. A good content creator starts to research his video ideas, starts to research the TAM and the possible virality and outliners. But to be able to create viral videos, you have to understand the psychology behind the click, the psychology behind the video idea itself, and the psychology of your actual perfect viewer. And when you start to develop and polish this skill, you'll be able to trigger better reactions from people watching your videos because you have made a psychological research of why he wants to watch your video in the first place, whether he wants to be good at something or to actually make his life better. And exploring those psychology traits can give you a huge advantage because you are actually targeting emotions rather than the mind and dopamine. That's why when people actually start watching your videos, they will watch with emotion. They will understand your video even more and focus because you have triggered something in them when you did your research. Now, the second step of content creation, which is scripting your video. And scripting your video is something really important if you want to succeed as a content creator, if you want if you want to succeed as a person who makes videos for a living or even as a hobby. Because scripting is not just a way in order to write down the words that you're going to say. Scripting is a message that you want to deliver to your perfect audience. It's a way to organize your thoughts. It's a way to be able to create shortlists, to be able to make your video more understandable for you first and then for your audience. Now, the hidden skill within the scripting phase is actually drawing the line between the starting line to the finish line. Writing down everything you want to deliver to your audience, whether it's emotions or actions or even words, can make a huge difference when you actually write your content. And this is a hidden skill that every scriptwriter uses. He starts to imagine the video before he actually starts writing the video. And you can simply do this by writing down simple outliners that could actually make a difference when you look at them and start to script your video word by word. But if you don't want to script your video, your outliner should be enough in order for you to create that video and make it as simple as possible. But I really don't recommend this way because it makes you ramble a lot. It makes you not confident enough in front of the camera, which the viewer can actually see, and make your credibility less effective when viewers watch your video. So in order to understand the skills, this skill is all about writing down an outliner for your video. Writing down a simple outliner that you can transform into a fully scripted video that could be easier and more understandable for viewers, targeting emotions, actions, and targeting goals that the viewer wants to achieve. Now, the third hidden skill is within the filming phase. When you finish scripting your video, you want to start with the best gear possible. You want to create the best possible moments and the best footage in order to be more cinematic and be more professional for the audience to watch. But the hidden skill is not actually having the best. The hidden skill is mastering what you have. So many people don't even start content creation because they think they need the best gear possible in order to create the best possible footage that they can edit. And this is completely wrong because there is a rule: if you want to learn anything, the bigger the change, the bigger the learning curve too. So if you start as a content creator with the most advanced gear, your learning curve will be slower. You're going to need a lot of time in order to learn and in order to practice content creation. That's why I always recommend that you start with your phone. Believe it or not, I never had a camera. I always shoot with my iPhone 11, which is at least 7 years old, and I want you to write in the comments, can you tell the difference between a cinematic camera and my iPhone? Because the hidden techniques in order to really create the best high quality content is not with your camera, it's with your lighting, your composition, and with your communication skills. The more welcoming you are, the more you're confident in front of the camera, the more appealing you're going to appear in front of your audience. That's why the best trick to have is to practice. Practice is king. If you practice more, you'll be able to create better. You'll be able to create faster, and you'll be more efficient with your content. Then when you finish filming, you would want to start with the editing. So many small content creators think that without a plan, they can edit the best videos possible. But the hidden skills that you need to master in order to create perfect edits that people enjoy and make the retention graph even higher, because you don't want to lose the audience while they're watching your video. Plan your edit before you start editing. This is something really basic that every master video editor and an advanced video editor will do every time before he starts a new project. He would start planning how he'll approach that video and that project, making the editing process so much simpler and so much easier and more effective, because you actually know the steps that you're going to take from the beginning of the timeline to the end of it. That's why I always recommend to people who want to edit their videos in the most efficient way is make a small plan. Make a small plan of how are you going to approach that video project. Take every step of video editing and turn it into a checklist. When you do that, you'll be able to edit your videos so much easier and faster, because your mind knows where he's going to go next. When you practice this skill, every time you create a video, the project that you're going to work with is not going to take you so long to edit. Now, the fifth skill is actually not related to YouTube or content creation. The fifth skill is related to you, yourself, and how you handle your money. That's why if you have a spending problem, thinking that gear makes you a great content creator, I want you to watch this video, because it could help you a lot understand how to save money and handle it on your day-to-day life.